What's going on, traders? So, before I get into the week recap, just want to say we started going live. We trade live 9:15 to about 11:15, and then we go live again around 1:30 until either, just about the end of the day. So, that's pretty much it. The week was pretty good overall. We got a lot of funded accounts. Um, some accounts are getting real close to payouts, and I got one of my accounts over. It's at $52,900, pretty much. Um, I think this is the NQ on the daily. We had quite a bit of movement this week. And if you look, this candle's Monday, and we kind of went up. I think we're doing a 2-day rest, and then I wouldn't be surprised if we travel north a little bit. I will say I feel like the market is starting to crack a little bit. One thing that I've noticed, so I know Nvidia has been having a massive push because they're doing their split. Comes effective on, I think, Monday. Once Google, Amazon did their splits, and Apple, I felt like shortly after there was a dip in the stock. They eventually come back. I'm just saying it just felt like after the split there was a dip. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. If it does, it can kind of bring down the NQ a little bit. So as much as I think we had 2 rest days, this kind of reminds me of back here. Where was it? I was actually looking at the last time you could just see like we pop and then we rest and then we pop again. Oh, where was I forget where it was. Jeez, I've been looking at all different charts recently, but it's kind of like flagging out. If you look at bring up the hourly, or I should bring up the 4-hour to be honest with you. Just kind of, we rode up and we've kind of just been building one big flag here. This is the pivot point on the 4-hour. You can see the MACD has been working itself off. We're just kind of flagging, and what I think is going to happen is eventually we're going to break out to the upside. I think we're going to break out. I could see us going up about another 400 or so points, and then I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I am not where we are currently. I'm not really adding to like my retirement fund. I'm not really adding to long-term options unless it's a company that's already been down a bit for like maybe earnings that were good, but the market wasn't, didn't take it favorably. I'm not adding to any stocks that are near their all-time highs. It's just something I'm not doing. Um, I mean, we're at all-time highs. It's typically not where I purchase equities at. I'd want to see a decent pullback before I was buying any equities. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, in prop firm world, I think we peaked at 16 funded accounts, and after Friday, if you saw my video, we lost, I think, 4 or 5, and we gained 1. So I think we have about 11 funded accounts. Apex deal is up on Tuesday, so I'm hoping to get a couple more funded accounts. And then I'm going to move to copy trade a lot of them. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. So far, I've managed groups, and I think I'll just create a group and do it within here. I told myself that I want to use like Quant Tower or like Sierra charts. I'm not I'm not sold on any of them. I gotta do maybe a demo to see what they're like. I like them because you can you can cross platform trade, so I can use like that with my Bullnox accounts as well. It just makes it easier. I'm getting too many accounts, so it's becoming hard. So if you watch me on the live stream, I'm constantly like, oh, I purchase here, and then I flip here, and then I do some stuff here, and then I flip back. And I'm trading all these accounts. And then I got my laptop to my right that I'm using, so I have a second mouse. And then I have a Rhythmic Trader Pro as well on this computer. So it's kind of messing up my trading, just swapping back and forth constantly. So I think what I'm going to do is start copy trading. Probably, I'm going to at first link 2 accounts, and then I'll probably move to 3 accounts. I don't want to lose. I don't want to sink like 5 and then lose 5, or like have a bad day and all 5 take a hit. But I'm willing to do 2 or 3 to start. I am going to request a payout next week, which is nice. Hopefully I can get one of these 2 accounts over, and I have a Bullnox account that's at 51,500. Hopefully I can get that over and maybe request 4 payouts of what is it, like 2,000 each. I'd request about 8 grand. That'd be amazing. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, is payout requests. Yeah. Is this trading currently? Is this? Oh yeah, updates live. Bitcoin. I thought I was really favorable. By the way, I was very favorable on Bitcoin this week. It's still looking good if you look at it. This is the daily. It's kind of just pulled back here, but if we can get over 72,000, like 500, it might just. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 80,000 by like, I don't know, end of the month or in July. Just kind of seems like we're going to be one more leg up. As long as we can hold over the 34 in the daily, that's kind of what I would say. That's what I'm looking for. So that's in crypto world, kind of like that. The NQ, I got to go over all these companies that I follow. Not every single one of them. I saw some bad news came out about, I'll use this one, about Celsius, I guess, week over week. Their numbers weren't that great. But it was a small amount. I got to check. I've been in and out of Celsius for a while. The news came out here. What was that? Oh, that was like 2 weeks ago. So I gotta dig into Celsius. There's a couple companies that I really, really follow that I want to do some research on. This is one of, I think this sees $100 soon. So I'm just kind of, I go over my charts, and then what I do is I kind of set alerts on certain things. So I'm going to do that later today. I'm just giving you an overall weekly review here. We're doing well. We're live streaming this week. Things are going good. Hopefully we want to get payouts. That's the name of the game. Get payouts. So we'll request payouts. Apex, you request payouts on the 15th. The sale is up on the 11th, so make sure if you want accounts, now's the time to get them. I did the whole thing where I'm done with 250K accounts. I'm just focusing on 50s. The reason is you can pull out $2,000 worth of 50s. A 250, you could pull out 3,000, but it's so much harder to pass. I did a whole video about that this week. So sticking with 50s, and that's pretty much it. I think the market is coming to a top, or I would say near-term top. Not really like, where we're going to just crash. I just think that, we've just been kind of going up, and the summer months are typically not that strong. So I'm curious if we see some type of top. I don't know where, and I don't I don't like short it, but we've been strong the last couple of days, and you know, things are good. So I'm just not adding to my positions. I only add on big dips. So that's where we're at. Hope you guys are making money. Join us live and be sure to subscribe. All right, take it easy.